Hi, I'm Bob Hrushka from Spark Systems Europe. In this video, I'm going to share with you LieberLieber's implementation of Simon Brown's C4 model suitable for agile development, brought to you by Spark Systems Europe as a free extension for Enterprise Architect, helping you to visualize, model, and explore your architecture. Many architecture definition languages have been created that can be used to formally define the architecture of a system. For some, however, getting started in a good way while strictly following a modeling language is a bigger challenge than expected for those with little or no experience with modeling. There are many reasons for this, ranging from typical real-world time and budget pressures to a lack of perceived benefit from creating a formal description of a system that isn't necessarily reflective of or connected to the source code. Known notations like UML, SysML, or Archimate present a similar challenge. They are powerful and fulfill all relevant aspects of software, systems, or IT infrastructure, but teams often don't know these notations well enough and, as a result, perceive them to be too complicated or incompatible with agile approaches, and they may not have the required tooling. This is why Simon Brown created the lightweight C4 model approach. It helps development teams get started with the description and communication of their architectures, both during upfront design sessions and when retrospectively documenting an existing code base in a clear, straightforward fashion. Think of a C4 as a way to create maps of your code at various levels of detail in the same way you would use something like Google Maps to zoom in and out of an area you are interested in. In order to create these maps of your system, we first need a common set of abstractions to create a language that we can use to describe the static structure of a software system. The C4 model considers the static structures of a system in terms of containers, components, and classes. Visualizing this hierarchy of abstractions is then done by creating a collection of core diagrams, namely context, container, component, and optionally classes. This is where the C4 model gets its name. Furthermore, you can supplement the core C4 diagrams with other diagrams to show other aspects as well. Our LieberLieber approach combines the benefits of a modeling tool and the elegant concept of a C4 model. The power of having a model starts to come into play when you need to rename an element. All you do is rename it in a model, and all occurrences of the element across all diagrams are renamed too. For the seamless implementation of C4, we have chosen the world's premier modeling tool, Enterprise Architect, for its flexibility of modifications achieved with the use of MDG technology, which enables you to extend EA's core capabilities to any desired modeling language. Moreover, it is a rich platform that can be used to model, design, simulate, prototype, build, test, manage and trace from vision to solution, and to execute model-driven architecture, which provides the ability to leverage built-in transformations to automatically derive artifacts such as data models, code models, XML models, as well as activity diagrams and test scripts from structure to use case scenarios. LieberLieber MDG Technology for C4 is based on C4 providing predefined model structure together with core and supplementary C4 diagrams and relevant elements, enabling you to draw diagrams at varying levels of abstractions to visualize the static structure and behavior of your system. The first of the core diagrams is a context diagram. This diagram helps you to answer the following questions. What is the system that we are building or have built? Who is using it? How does it fit with the existing environment? The second one is a container diagram. This diagram shows the high-level shape of the architecture and how responsibilities are distributed across it. It also shows the major technology choices, how they are used, and how containers communicate with each other. The third diagram is a component diagram, which shows the components that reside inside each of the containers defined by container diagram. The last diagram is the optional class diagram, which shows the internals of an individual component defined by component diagram. In addition to the core diagrams, our MDG technology for C4 provides supplementary diagrams such as domain model, use case, and traceability diagrams. This is good news for those who would like to evolve their C4 model in line with modeling standards such as UML. By enabling a particular MDG technology in Enterprise Architect, it is possible to create cross-links to various types of models, providing comprehensive traceability that enables you to trace the relationships and dependencies between the C4 model and other modeling languages. In the following video tutorials, I will show you how to use this MDG technology for C4 so you can effectively and efficiently communicate the software architecture of the software you're building. If you find this Enterprise Architect extension helpful, don't hesitate to go check out our website and get it for free.